Hey guys, I took a trip down to LA and I checked out all the vendors that were there. There were so many to choose from. There's the seating area there. I ended up getting the Thai boat noodle, which was so delicious. I enjoyed every bite. So if you're down in LA, go check it out. Or plan a trip and make it out there. It's a lot of good food. Enjoy. Bye.